In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Netflix problem with the payment method that you're trying to use. So I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I fixed it. So basically, we need to go to this page right here where it says choose how to pay, or if you already are logged in into your Netflix account and you can see your payment method in there, you can of course also go in there. So basically one of the most common reasons why you're getting this error, it's because when you're using either a credit or a debit card, you most likely have entered something incorrectly. So maybe one number that you have entered that is incorrect, then you will get that error. So make sure that you have entered everything correct before you are going to check out basically and subscribe to Netflix. So that could be one of the reasons. And if you have still checked and everything is correct, but it still gives you that error, well, there might be one thing that you haven't done yet with your bank. So this is how it fixed for me, by the way. This is extremely rare. I haven't yet, I think, experienced this kind of problem before. So basically what I had to do is that I had to go to my mobile banking app, and from there I had to basically tell them to open up internet purchases for me. So I had to click on this thing that unlocks internet purchases, and then I went back and I clicked on credit or debit card once again in here, and then I wrote everything once again, and then it actually worked for me. So try this, maybe you have to unlock internet payments for you. And if that still isn't working, then you need to either use PayPal or gift code here if you can buy one for Netflix. That can also solve this issue for you, just so you know. So if nothing of this works, it might be that it's insufficient funds right now in your account as well. That might also be the reason, just so that you're aware of that.